Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by launching Fotor and importing your image. Do that now so we can work. Once done, pick an aspect ratio because composition guides cropping and export size. Make sure to name the project for easy retrieval. This saves time if you revisit. Next, use the Auto Enhance for baseline correction so adjustments start from a balanced exposure. This first setup quickens every following step and prevents accidental over-editing when you move to detailed tools. Once you have a balanced base, dive into precise editing. You'll adjust exposure and contrast to recover detail and lower highlights while lifting shadows to balance tones. Then crop or straighten to enforce framing, small 0. 5 degrees tweaks make images feel professional. Make selective edits with the brush or erase mask to protect areas. Use retouch tools sparingly. Remove blemishes, smooth skin subtly, and whiten teeth if needed. You want natural results, so reduce strength after previewing the change. To finish, add a filter or effect. Reduce intensity so the edit enhances rather than dominates. Once satisfied, export with the right format and quality. Choose PNG for transparency or JPG at 80-100% for photos. Make sure dimensions match your destination to avoid resizing later. If you see banding or artifacts, undo the last steps, lower sharpening or clarity, and re-export from the original image. If problems persist, re-import the original file and repeat the key edits more gently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.